Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today, now the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano will be one of our monitoring spirits who come outside and give us updates about Ivan Toney. So Babakari talk say Ivan Toney say the guy financial package they too expensive for Arsenal. Say Brentford wants crazy money according to waiting Thomas Frank. They talk for the media space because Thomas Frank, why I like that man say the man is very honest. You know they hide him out. They all come back and talk say go take a crazy bid. Go take something ridiculous, something out of this world for somebody to collect Ivan Toney from Brentford onto Arsenal. And this is where Fabrizio Romano they talk. Now waiting, I believe say all Arsenal fans they are aware already. Say it no go be something we go be very easy. Because remember say yesterday Fabrizio they talk say Arsenal are going to be searching for a striker and a fullback. So for this interview now, one media house that they call Give Me Sports. And then they interview Fabrizio Romano. They ask him about Ivan Toney going to Arsenal. So because they talk say it would be somehow difficult for Arsenal to get a player because number one, his financial package, like the total money where he would take to sign the player from Brentford, say it is something crazy. Like they're telling you £100 million for Ivan Toney, like is it really worth it? Is it even worth 70 million? Get in the grand scheme of things, because this is a player that has gone on like 8 months ban. If they come back, nobody know the kind of player when they come back as. Is he coming back as the Ivan Toney we used to know, or coming back as something else? Like, you know, sure for him. Yes, they are slapping £100 million. You see, because they know that Arsenal are desperate for a striker and Chelsea is desperate. So now the situation we will find ourselves with that, but not just of that, because Fabrizio was on the day very active. When the transfer when the first start, the guy was the one kind of quiet, but now don't they let us know some kind of things really happen. So let's just keep watching as all this drama will unfold. Alright, so I don't know how many of you watched the Manchester City versus Newcastle match yesterday for St. James Park. Oh no, that match. Manchester United draw first blood. They collect 1-0 before you know Newcastle give them back by in 2 minutes, 2-1. You get. I don't even know say the match now 6 o'clock or 6:30. But this is been a night match. That's why when I go live in the evening, I don't really talk about it. And when I don't finish the live, when they go through comments, somebody can say Newcastle they beat Man City 2-1. I say I can go check the match. First half don't finish. I can say okay. Make I watch the remainder. Newcastle, I don't even know how they scored that 2 goals because they were not playing anything. Manchester City just they dominate them. When they come put Kevin De Bruyne, game change. The guy just come, Baba beg. Manchester City missed that guy, I swear. Because when you watch Man City when they bust his net 2-2, before you know he give Oscar Bob assist. And Oscar Bob after the match, they call it interview and small boy 20 years old though. The boy got to say now only Kevin De Bruyne if he give that kind of pass. The way the pass they locate her. And funny enough, when they bring that Oscar Bob enter the field of play, the commentator said this boy knows how to play. Saying go give Kieran Trippier a lot of problems. Me, I was like, who be this Oscar Bob? I never watched him before. They say I'm Norway professional. I said the guy they play for Norway. Me, I don't know him. So I said, okay, let me see. Now the guy scored the winning goal. Dream keeper wipe him. He entered. Commentator say, I said it when they brought him in that this kid can play. Man City now, if they can't bring back Haaland, Man City, forget. They talk say they weak, but see that De Bruyne, him alone, and 10 player MV. See the way they enter game change. That yesterday, say Man City win that match now because of Kevin De Bruyne. Because for me, I don't want to say the match now draw it go end, but they just they fortunate. It is what it is. Away from that, so Virgil van Dijk come as I call it, say for all the players we don't play against, all those strikers, say Gabriel Jesus. Now one of the toughest strikers we don't meet for football. So the guy, there's something about him, the way he plays, you get the throw defenders off. Well, waiting they talk, me, I don't really understand that because I know they see the guy in Gabriel Jesus as person really bully defenders. So maybe now because they drop to midfield, like how many times they spend for the box 18? So the midfield and flanks, like me, I don't know what even when they see. Now I know what you see, but all in all, I say like I let you know, I'm saying they praise Gabriel Jesus, say Gabriel Jesus, to play against Gabriel Jesus is very difficult. If they talk to about Gabriel Jesus, if you want to talk against Ivan Toney, to play against Ivan Toney, well, it is what it is, yeah. Alright, away from that, so AFCON is starting today. So Nigeria will play Equatorial Guinea. Yeah, so that one's another nice. It's like the biggest competition in Africa, where African countries go play. Egypt go play their own match today, Nigeria match. So we'll see what's in Osimhen and Co. will do for us today, whether they will make Nigeria proud. Because for me, Nigeria need to win this competition, because we don't think we'll win all this kind of thing now. We'll not be giant of Africa again, so we need to reclaim our lost glory. You guys win this competition, and everybody will be very, very happy. So I think now maybe 3 o'clock or thereabouts, that Nigeria will play today. So me, I will try watch them again. So we'll just see what's in our country will do. Alright, so Florian Plettenberg. So inside call come and call say Joe Palinha, and in representative say Fulham don't inform them say a transfer to any club for this January, no go materialize, no go take place. So make them just understand the situation of things. So Palinha is not happy. No wonder Bayern no come back for the guy, because if like say Bayern don't try and Fulham don't say no road here, so we know they sell this player. Now Florian Plettenberg is a Sky Sports reporter. So now they let us know. So whether na Bayern no, whether na Arsenal no, whether na Liverpool no, Fulham no they sell for this January. They say the best time when they would like to sell the player now for the summer. That time it would be easy for them to get adequate replacement, because they don't want the left hanging now. Come on. So the CSF will need replacement. So sadly that's the situation of things. This January, this particular January, it was somehow complicated. I don't just know. Alex Crook, or one of the pundits at the Talk Sports, so Babasa comments account say Aston Villa still interested in signing Emile Smith Rowe. So they really still like the player. You can say make Arsenal know how they will do a deal, because now we say Arsenal they complain of money, and because of the financial fair play restrictions, Arsenal actually need to sell before they buy. So this is why we say now Emery still get this attraction for Emile Smith Rowe. Why not cash in on the player? At least Emile Smith Rowe will command a decent 30 million or like 30-35 million if you want to sell him to Arsenal. Why not cashing on him? Then the likes of Kivio cashing on them. Like say, just look for how you go cash in. Now 1 or 2 world class players you bring in, you go turn around things for the club. You get all those Nelson cashing on them. So now what advice will they give Arteta? But Arteta get the final say, more just the watch. Today na 14. So more they see what will still happen. Still get about maybe 16 or 17 days before this January go close. So more just they see what the transfer window hold for us. Arsenal don't send scouts for this AFCON to go watch Diomande where they play for Sporting Lisbon. So instead now African contingent TB. So Baba they play for AFCON. So Arsenal send scouts, not just Arsenal, Chelsea send scouts when they go scamp the guy because they won't make a move. But the problem is the guy they command about 60-something million pounds to buy him. So I don't think this is something that will be happening in January. Probably it's going to be something that will happen at the end of the season. That's when the blockbuster signings is going to be happening. So let's just keep watching. Borja Mayoral when they play for Getafe. So Babacon comments don't say in the hear about say Arsenal don't make an offer for him. So they say the thing surprise him, because in the dark. Nobody will tell him anything. Say the club never really tell him anything, and the agent self never really tell him anything. Say him just be focused on playing for Getafe, so he don't know what's in the happen out there. But truth be told, saying just be surprised. Say Arsenal they come for him. You get, so it is what it is. That move self. Some people they talk say, I think it was caught offside yesterday when they talk say Getafe say they don't want to sell the player again. Then at the same time, Football Insider say if Arsenal slap big money, say Getafe feed no money na spirit now. If flash money for their front like this, they may be forced to say okay, you can go. So we just watch as things unfold. This transfer window, like I say, make I repeat myself. Arsenal will be linked to many players. You know me saying all of them we go buy. We are a big club, so people are going to be linking players to us. So now normal level. If you go ask us and say, how far this player, what's it is up now? How much it be? That one don't say one sign number, but we just want to know because so that it makes sense for us. Before you know, the newspaper will kind of say, Arsenal don't they talk, so they don't they ask about CHUKS, so now so the transfer market just be. Okay, so Tomiyasu contract extension, it don't need for the final stages. So now it's daily canon, they let us know. So anytime soon now, you will say Arsenal don't sign a contract agreement like an extension, increase in salary. So that's something that is coming up very soon. And if it happen, I'm really very happy because the guy really don't try for us. They need to reward him as they reward others. They don't like say they don't leave him behind. So it is what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what Chelsea, they should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out and happy Sunday.